The Niyamgiri Hills in India's eastern Odisha state are home to the Dongria Kondh tribe. For generations, these indigenous people have lived sustainably from the natural abundance of the forest.
The
Niyamgiri Hills are very important ecologically. This sacred mountain is the source of two major rivers, and there are many species of plants and animals.
In 2003, indigenous rights activist Prafulla Samantara was surprised to read about a public hearing for a proposed bauxite mine in the Niyamgiri Hills. The mountaintop mine was a joint project between the state government and British mine company Vedanta Resources.
The Dongria Kondh people didn't know about the public hearing because it took place far away in a language they don't speak.
India's constitution grants indigenous people the right to control development on their land. Knowing that the tribal people had these legal rights, Prafulla immediately set out to alert them about the threat to their homeland.
There are 112 Dongria Kondh villages. 112. To reach one village, it takes half a day to walk up the mountain. It took nearly a year to reach all the people and unite them in the struggle to protect Niyamgiri.
In anticipation of the mine, Vedanta illegally annexed 700 acres below the hills, bulldozing 5 villages to construct a bauxite refinery. Bauxite is a key mineral used in aluminum production.
Pollution from bauxite mining lasts for 1,000 years. The mining site is also the source of Niyamgiri's rivers. So how will the people survive? They will be wiped out. We are talking about ethnic extinction.
If they take away these rocks, we'll lose our soul. Niyamgiri is our soul.
Prafulla, who has degrees in law and economics, partnered with public interest lawyers and filed a petition with the Supreme Court, challenging the mine on environmental, human, and tribal rights violations. Prafulla then helped the tribes organize a united resistance against Vedanta.
Anashan, hunger strike.
There were rallies, hunger strikes, and protests. People came from all over the country and formed a human chain that went around the mountain.
Police.
The police repeatedly tried to repress us on behalf of Vedanta. We were attacked and beaten, but we were committed to a completely non-violent protest.
Prafulla is a non-compromising activist. So needs first, not the greed, is the principle that the Mahatma Gandhi brought into the Indian politics as well as economy. Is something that he sticks to.
Almost a decade after Prafulla's initial filing, the Supreme Court issued an historic decision, reaffirming the rights of indigenous people. The Dongria Kondh voted unanimously to reject the mining project.
These problems may come like Niyamgiri.
This is very important decision. If it is applied throughout the country, it will benefit actually the poor people, the tribals who have been living in the forest areas for centuries.
By protecting the tribal people, we protect nature. This is our greatest responsibility, so we can stop the destruction of climate change.
For outstanding environmental achievement for Asia, the 2017 Goldman Environmental Prize is awarded to Prafulla Samantara, Odisha, India.